Affirmations for beginners. Hello and welcome to my page. My name is Gareth Fleck, and in today's video I'm going to give you a quick, easy method to bridge you into the I am affirmations, because I know a lot of people struggle with these, all right? Because if you do not believe it, then it's not going to work too well. So instead, we start with what if? What if? What if I was wealthy? What if I was wise? What if I was wealthy? What if I was rich? What if I was loved? What if I was loving? So when we say what if, it activates the imagination, doesn't it? You start thinking. So you're not tricking yourself. You are saying, what if? So the subconscious mind is a lot more receptive, okay? Because you'll start thinking, oh, what if I was healthy? You know, close your eyes and you start seeing yourself healthy. How would I feel? You know, would I have these abs? Nah, you know, or would I just be genuinely happy? What if I was happy? You know, if you've been sad or depressed, what if I felt good? What if I felt happy? Add it with the havening. It brings you into delta waves, shuts off fight, flight, defensive, rage, freeze mode, makes you nice and calm and more receptive. So, sorry about my voice. I just finished a 7-day water fast and I've just had a nice vegetable drink to break it. But what if? So then once you're done, like, what if I am wealthy? You know, what if I'm wealthy? You start thinking of ideas that would be around being wealthy. And then once you've said it enough and you can see yourself, then you can be like, I am wealthy. I am healthy. You know, I am wise. I am happy. I am joyful. But to start with, it's like a wee ramp. Just a wee ramp to get you up to the point where you can confirm, okay, I am. So, you know, get relaxed. What if? What if? What if? What if? What if? Amazing. I hope that was helpful. Nice short video today. Before you leave, hit the subscribe if you're new, leave a like, comment if you like this method, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Hey, enjoy your life.